Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I want to bring you another product I just picked up. These are one of the best products I think for this car, and it has to do with the CarPlay in it. If you know, a lot of these cars do not come with wireless Apple CarPlay. For some reason, even though the technology's there, they didn't, at least in this year, the 2021, it doesn't have wireless. It's all wired. I think in the new ones they have wireless now, but this one does not. So I'm always using like a dongle that will make it wireless CarPlay. I've been using one. I love it. Works really good. I'm going to try a different one too to give you guys some more options. This one is a little bit cheaper. I just picked it up here. I'll go ahead and open it up and I'll show you exactly what it looks like. They're really easy to do. You just plug them in and they link to your phone and it's seamless. Like the ones I've used have been great. Like I would never go back to the wired anymore. I never plug my phone in and this works perfect. So if you're thinking about getting a new car just to get wireless CarPlay, do not do it. These little things here, they don't cost much. Some cost more than others. $100 would be an expensive one. So let me go ahead and open it up and show you what you get. So here it is. Very simple. The little box. Take the sticker off of it here. All you do is you plug it in. There's depending on how you're going to connect it here, USB-C, but on my car, you're going to plug this in to here, and then this goes into your CarPlay port, which is in here. So I'll show you that. Okay, so you see right here, even has a little picture on it. Shows you that's a CarPlay port. So here you go. I just plugged it in. You just plug it in here. Just like that. That's all you do. You can leave it dangling. You can unwind this, put it on the bottom so it doesn't rattle around. That's pretty much all you do. So now, what you're going to do, we're going to start this up. So there you go. That's connected to my phone. You want to know if it's on, see the little light on it right there on the device. Shows it's paired. Very basic. All you do, once you plug this in, you're going to go to your phone settings on your actual phone and go down to Bluetooth and it'll find this box. So this one, it says like AI and then some numbers. You're going to push that to pair it. Then some numbers will pop up on your screen to show, do you want to pair this? You push yes, and then it connects. And then you only have to do that the initial time. Now, every time you turn your car off and turn it back on, it'll be paired. So now you got CarPlay. You got your music, whatever you want to do with it. Just like that. And that's connected to my phone. So very seamless. Like I said, once you set it up, all you have to do is pair it. Once you get in, it automatically pairs by itself. So super easy. I didn't know how much I would like it until I got one of these things. Works really, like I said, seamless. So nice, never having to plug your phone in. The only thing I will say, and they all do this, if you're not driving a real far distance, it does drain your battery. So if you're not connected to a charger, you're going to notice it'll drain your battery a lot. And that goes with any wireless CarPlay. Even in my wife's MDX that has wireless CarPlay from the factory, it drains it too. So it's just that connection being over the air. So what I do, I always keep it plugged in here on my magnetic mount to charge it as it's connected, so I don't notice it. But if you're just leaving it, in the cup holder in your pocket, it will drain a lot more than just, not being connected at all. So I just want to let you guys know that. Other than that, I would highly recommend it. So check the link in the description, guys. This one, like I said, it's not as bad priced. And I like it how it's here. So they're out of the way. Some cars have the connection up here. So you'd have to I kind of put that out somewhere out of the way. Here, you just connect it there and you're done. You're never going to see it. It just connects. So again, I would definitely pick one up if you haven't. It makes this car a lot more usable as far as having to connect and have all these wires running all over the place. I never liked that about it too. So Again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.